Salut, bonjour tout le monde, comment nous y est? Moi back encore avec une autre vidéo. So, jeudi guys, 18 mai. So, bonne fête drapeau à tout le monde, tout haïtien moi yo, tout haïtien moi yo, bonne fête drapeau. So yeah, I'm fête lever, I'm still gonna dormir dans gym, so yeah. I'm fête lever là, il y a 10 heures, cause je vais me lever bonnet, ok? Je vais me lever bonnet. So, ki sa m pral fè, m ki tan fè cheve mwen, m pral leve m ben, m prepare mwen. So, ba, 2-3 yo, yeah, map like, prepare m. M al nan festival lan. Yep, m pral nan festival lan. Yeah guys, so, m pral nan festival lan, red bonche, gade video sa. So, pou nou suiv ki jan sa te pase, m konen an pin nou like prale, so you know. So, sa fè an mwen tal nan store, mwen achete, li va achete, mwen achete tout les deni mayon an avèk potanou an pou $45. Yo bon mwen ni pou $45, so yeah. Ale nan store mwen achete. Gè pil mwen kap mwen dem, oh, ki kote so sa yi, le mte poste li sou Snapchat, mwen poste li sou WhatsApp, mwen poste li sou Facebook tout, ok? So yeah. So yeah guys, mwen fin prepare. C'est comme ça, mieux pour le festival là, ok? And my baby's right. Say hi. So, yep. So, moi prêt pour le festival là. So, si vous êtes dans le festival là, what do hi? Yeah, this is how I look. Na pointe aller.
Mbak aku naik tu, bukan memang dia no?
Yeah.
Mbak aku naik.
Dia tu nak main pak.
Kamu lah?
So,
Kita beli.
thank you. Muito feliz.
Mon sel. Bon. Est-ce que ça va payer beaucoup? On peut être comme ça au mon sel.
Yeah guys,
Mbak kita dah.
non pour aller, so no.
Mais les nak gang wutu waka.
Non, pour wonderful.
So yeah.
Bon, mettez moi on.
I can't talk.
Apa tu nak?
So yeah guys, let me get my friend no koni. Okay? So nobody konji la. Moi me la fait ça net, like ça ça veut dire.
Ça?
Yeah.
Par contre, ça y est,
Non.
Victoire.
Okay.
Ça c'est vrai. Vie. Ouais, on a le
So,
on va regarder ça, ok. Et fais-le là, ma voiture, ma bagay.
so yeah guys, no EV. Okay? No EV. No EV. Let me show you guys. You guys see?
Excuse me. C'est la festival là, yeah?
Yeah, you park there, then the stage right over there.
Oh.
Alright, thank you.
Go by the girl?
Ni ba ya? I send you.
Okay.
So yeah guys, so nobody pay. Manda, yo fèt konti plan nan men. So guys, Manda. So guys, Manda, yo fèt konti plan nan men, so nan wale gade. I'm trying to buy something, but do you have like kids joint?
It doesn't get softer than beer.
Like a apple juice?
Yeah, we have cranberry orange.
I don't like orange.
Cranberry orange Coca-Cola. Tonic, you don't want to drink that alone.
Let me have the first one.
The cranberry juice?
Yeah.
Let's get it, whoa.
Plenty niggas steady tryna ride away. First I eat it, then I fuck it, she gon' say. If I'm starving, I'ma have to take your plate. I'm busy doing a lot of problems on my plate. Hey, plenty niggas steady tryna ride away. First I eat it, then I fuck it, she gon' say. Hey, yeah, if I'm starving, I'ma have to take your plate.
Come on, put the flags up, put the flags
A lot of problems on my plate. Hey, topping me, but you cannot beat me. I'm dripping as fuck, hoping the fuck they waiting to meet me. Now my niggas be ready now, got them sticks and they ready now. We pull up in the truck, pouring out, we got time for the bad boys out of hand.
What's up?
You want it up so that make you up. I'm gonna do it, she telling me stop. I'm paranoid, I always talk to the cops. How do I know when I'm counting the money when she going ding, 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 babe? How does she love when I kill that pussy, that bitch screaming ding, 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 babe? Baby niggas steady tryna ride away. First I eat it, then I fuck it, she gon' stay. If I'm starving, I'ma have to take your plate. I'm really doing a lot of problems on my plate.
Hey, what's up?
Maybe niggas steady tryna ride away. First I eat it, then I fuck it, she gon' stay. Yeah, if I'm starving, I'ma have to take your plate. I'm really doing a lot of problems on my plate. Yeah, that's what I know. Whole time trying to think I'm tryna make come out wide. I say you
Put the flags up.
talk to me now.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Put your ass to bed. I'm just trying to pay my lights and keep my son out of bed. Like you know I'm nice, but it's to get past the test. I admit that I can't read and all I did was bubble yes. If you ever did me wrong, man, I wish your ass to bed. So I hate it when I'm high, I say I do it for the street. Okay, I'm just trying to tell and care.
Bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir. soir, m'a chanté hymne national là, en créole. C'est pour nous marcher.
Levez drapeau dans l'air, levez drapeau dans l'air, levez drapeau dans l'air. Now, it's now.
We here. Tout haïtien mieux, deux mains en l'air, deux mains en l'air, deux mains en l'air, deux mains en l'air. Chantez. Chantez, chantez, chantez. Assez. Ok.